Pag-aralan ng wasto, panatiling sariwang hangin.
Hello everyone, paano ba gumawa ng appointment as pollution control officer? Very common yan na requirement sa pag-apply ng PCO accreditation. Now, as shown on the screen is a pattern, not a pro forma, but only a pattern on how to prepare an appointment as pollution control officer in a form of letter. So the letter will be addressed to the concerned regional director of the concerned regional office of BMB. So lagay natin muna ang company name and then the date, very common naman yan, at saka yung pangalan ng regional director. So we need to know the name of the regional director of the concerned regional office of BMB where the project or establishment is located. So dito, example, sa Region 4A, in the person of Mr. Robert Angelo Metin, the Regional Director of EMB Region 4A, whose office address is PITX Tower 2, Barangay Tambo, Parañaque City. Subject, designation or appointment as Pollution Control Officer. So, pag mag-apply ka ng PCO accreditation, sasubmit mo tong appointment letter na to. Dear Director Metin, warm greetings. We respectfully inform your good office that Mr. Joseph Cruz is hereby appointed as Pollution Control Officer at ito ngayon yung name ng establishment at kung saan located. Pollution Control Officer of ABC Company Inc. located at number 3 MP Casanova Street, Barangay Tambo, Lipas City, Batangas. So, ang nagsasalita dito yung authority, nag-appoint sa PCO. He will assume the above cited position and responsibility as Pollution Control Officer in compliance with DAO 2014-02 or revised guidelines for PCO accreditation. And as the PCO, together with the undersigned, shall ensure compliance with the requirements of major environmental laws. So, ito ay mga added na lang to na information. So, importante yung pag-establish kung sino ang taon, anong pangalan, anong company or establishment name, and then location. So, thank you very much. Sincerely yours, Engineer Peter Espan, President, then date signed. So, halimbawa, February 21, 2026. So, this is only a pattern in preparing our designation or appointment letter as PCO. Pwede mo siyang kopyahin, pwede mong gayahin. At the end of the day, wala naman ng pro forma dyan. Ang iba nga, diretso lang na nakapangalan sa tao, parang sinasabi nila na to Joseph Cruz from Peter Pan, tapos subject na appointment letter as PCO. No, magkakaroon lang ng mga pagkakaiba sa statement. Pero ang ending pa rin na establish yung pangalan ng um, Pollution Control Officer. So that's it. Iyan po yung um, appointment or designation letter as PCO. May konting pagkakaiba ito doon sa yung owner or yung manager, siya na yung managing head, siya pa yung PCO. So, papaano yun? Hindi naman pwedeng I hereby appoint myself. So, in that case, pwede tayong magawa ng ibang statement. So, meron tayong company name, date, naka-address pa rin sa regional director at yung subject ay designation as PCO and managing head. So, kung kanina ang pangalan ng regional director, Mr. Robert Angelo Metin, so sa kanya natin in-address. So, Dear Director Metin, warm greetings. We respectfully inform your good office that the undersigned, so halimbawa si Peter S. Pan, is the owner or president or incorporator. O, halimbawa, lagay natin is the president of ABC Company Inc. located at MP or number 3 MP Casanova Street, Barangay Tambo, Lipa City, Batangas. In connection with this, the undersigned will assume the position and responsibility as pollution control officer and managing head of ABC Company Inc. So, yung ating example na establishment. Yan. In compliance with DOUT 2014-02. So, yan. As the managing head, together with the pollution control officer, the undersigned shall, ito na yung mga brief duties and responsibilities. At maganda rin, i-attach natin yung proof of company ownership or registration gaya ng DTI or SEC. And then, thank you very much. Sincerely yours. So, lagay natin dito. Engineer Peter S. Pan, Managing Head or PCO, then date signed. February 21, 2026. That's it. Ganyan lang yung construction ng appointment letter kung siya na yung managing head, siya pa ang PCO. Medyo may konting pagkakaiba lang. So ito ay hindi kailangan ipanotaryo, kailangan lang itong may pirma lagi nung managing head. At ipapasa mo ito sa PCO accreditation system through pco.emb.gov.ph. So if you want a copy of this pattern, you can just comment it below. If you have question, just type it below. At kung nakatulong sa'yo ang video na to, just share, like this video. Thank you very much for time listening and God bless us all.